All right, hello class. So this tutorial is to help you pick classes for a full-time schedule and to interpret the course listings so that you may build that schedule. This is part of an overall goal to register for classes, and in this we will simply be testing to see if you can successfully find courses that you need, that they're not courses that you can't take, that they're courses that have days available, and that they're at the right campus for you, and for you to be able to find that information and to put it onto a list, a piece of paper of 2 complete courses, course schedules for the upcoming semester. And this will serve also as a tutorial to walk you through the steps before you do it yourself. So we begin at the home page, and just as a reminder of the skills that you've already learned, you have already been taught to navigate the home page by using the search bar, to access your degree works, and to also access this advisement worksheet that shows you the courses that are core courses that you must take that do not require prerequisites. And this is that list, and it is available by searching the terms General Advising Worksheet Core Curriculum in the search bar. All right. Also, you can navigate from the search bar to academics and the course catalog of the year that you began, and that will be the core requirements that that you have to abide by, the year that you started as a freshman. And you can see that in this the list of contents here, table of contents for your academic catalog. You have the core curriculum broken down for you, just like that advisement worksheet. And if you already know your degree program, it'll tell you what you have to take in addition to that. So that's an excellent resource for you. And this is just a reminder. Okay, so let us navigate back to the home page and begin the process of looking for our classes. So to find your classes and the course listing to make a schedule, simply go to My Gordon, go down to Course Search, and using your degree works or this academic worksheet that shows you which courses to choose from, search for courses. Now, as an advisor and as a professor, I will recommend to you that you first start with English 1101. English 1102 has a course requirement, a prerequisite course, and that is 1101. And that kind of information, whether or not a course has a prerequisite, you have already been told. But just to review, you would access the academic calendar. The academic catalog that we were looking at a moment ago, and go to an individual class like English 1101 or English 1102 or Math 1501. And if that course has a prerequisite, it will tell you, the very first thing it will tell you is that it has a prerequisite course. Okay? All right, so, now that you've determined that, let's search for courses. And I will highly recommend that every freshman start with, of course, choose the term that you want. And you can choose your campus if you choose to be at Barnesville, or if you want online courses or one of those many different places, you can choose to do so. We'll choose the Barnesville campus just for purposes of this. And let's choose English. We know that we have to take English 1101 before we can take English 1102. English 1101 is a linchpin core course. So let's search for that. All right. So we can see right off the bat, we have some information here, some courses. And as you know already from our discussion in the last class and other previous materials, you have the course name and number, its section that tells you which course that you're in, the credit hours that it is worth, the title of the class, the dates and times that the class runs to. Remember, R represents Thursday to Tuesday, for example. The time of that class, the instructor, its location. If it is on if it's online or if it's on a location other than Barnesville campus, it would specify that here. Okay, the CRN number and how many seats are available. 26 seats, only 11 are filled, so it has an availability of 15 seats. Right. So students, you have been directed to copy this information down. For example, in a document that may look a little something like this. Right. As you can see, we've written students can write the course number down here and section, the credit hours. Whether or not it has a prerequisite can be determined by looking classes up individually. Individually in the academic catalog. All right, students can record whether or not there are enough seats for that class here under availability. They can note the days and time here. They can, 3:30 to 4:45, for example. Its location in Barnesville. Students may even choose to record the specific room and class number there, and the CRN number. Crucial components. All right, class, so we need you to do this for a full load. Generally, you want to spread the kinds of courses that you're taking around. It's always good to go ahead and get that math requirement out of the way because it is often a prerequisite for other courses. And 1101 is a prerequisite for 1102. And those are two classes that you really need before you move on to some of these other requirements like English literature courses. And of course, this information has already been presented to you. But you want to try to spread your classes around evenly so you've got some different things so you're not overwhelming your mind in one direction. All right. Once you have completed a full schedule, 2 full schedules, you will print it up and give a copy to your instructor or email it to your instructor, whatever the case may be, so that your instructor can check over it and go over it with you. And of course, as you complete this process, we are available for questions. Thank you.